because I'm in the central Jersey area where my hood is my local hood, but this is part of my hood, really. Honestly, this is only about 20 miles away. It's very close to where I'm at, where I'm personally at. And that's great for these channels because I can do New Jersey and New York City fairly simple. Not always easy, but fairly simple. Fairly. Yesterday was in Seaside Heights, New Jersey. And today here in Jersey Gardens, so enough said. Yeah, when you're here, you can hear everything like a crowd, almost like you're at an arena. Super cool. And I am doing full experience playlists now. So basically I'm taking the whole day and putting it onto one playlist. So this might go on a full experience playlist. Because full days become episodes. It's just an easier, simpler workflow. And it makes more sense. Honestly, in 2026 right now, some people watch videos, long videos, but most people watch shorter videos. As you know, shorts are a big thing on the platforms. So shorter content is kind of more salutable for people in general, not everyone. So I'm doing the best of both worlds as putting it on a playlist. Episodes on the playlist. And from a workflow standpoint, once it's organized, it's a little bit of a more cleaner workflow than like an hour and a half walking video that maybe most people might not watch past 5 or 10 minutes of. So it just makes more sense. And this is the way, you know, we have busy lives, so you can't expect everyone to want to watch an hour-and-a-half long video in 2026. Times change. The walking niche genre category has to change with everything else. That's not saying there will not be any 45-minute videos or longer or something. But in general, it just makes more sense to do it this way. Let's go, let's go. So there's the bowling and arcade round one right there. And we could stroll through there real quick. Let's take a stroll through there, see what's going on in there today. Feels good to be here at the Jersey Gardens Mall. Rain in the forecast, perfect for a mall walk. Jersey is no joke. We got New York and we got New Jersey. It's no joke. New Jersey's no joke. Just opened one of these up around the corner too. Not right around the corner, but Menlo Park Mall. So we have a couple of these right now. And they have the bowling over here.
If it is your turn to bowl, then you are the challengers. Challengers will all be throwing their balls at once. Ladies and gentlemen will need a strike in order to win. Kids under 13 will need just 9 pins or more to win. Winners will receive an original round 1 prize and have a photo taken with whoever they are bowling with. So good luck.